Today we are going to talk about Kuhn paradigm shift, as we have said in a previous video, and this is the last part of chapter 3 of MSO 001, and after that we will do chapter 4, in which we will talk about objective of social reality, its construction, and how it is experienced in everyday. We will talk about sociologists like Peter Berger and Luckman. We will also see about relationship between social reality and symbolic universe. So please stay connected with us for future updates. I have analyzed IGNOU previous year question from 2012 to 2020 June and have found that the questions asked were as follows: Kuhn paradigm shift, and the second question was as paradigm relation to sociology, and what is paradigm significance in social analysis. We will see that definition and how it is related, and then the significance of paradigm. Paradigm are generally defined as the framework that has unwritten rules that direct actions. Paradigm shift occur when one paradigm loses its influence and other take over. Paradigm is a set of propositions that explain how the world is perceived. It is a set of experience, belief and values that affect the way you perceive what is real and how you should react. There are 5 main phases of paradigm. First phase is paradigm phase. It is related to theories and fact. The second is professionalization. It is related to techniques and professional understanding. Now the third phase is paradigm phase 1. It is related to the followers, those who follow the rituals or the theories that have been provided up to now. And the fourth phase comes of the crisis phase. Here there are different ideologies that emerge during the period. And the fifth phase is paradigm phase 2. Here the new idea come up. And after the fifth stage, the third stage is again re-emerged and the loop continues. We will see this. Haggett in 1983 defined paradigm as a kind of supermodel. There are two types of paradigm, that is positive and second is integrative. Positive is an old form. It is related to Durkheim and Comte. It states that reality is everything we perceive through senses. And the second is interpretative. It is a contemporary aspect and it is related to sociologists like Dilthey and Weber. It is a reality that exists in mind of people. Initially it is experienced through social interaction. There are two aspects of paradigm, that is global and second is local. The global paradigm is a set of beliefs and values that the whole world believes in, and it comprises all procedure of science and social science. The second is a local version. Here it can be said that the local version is that some society agree with global belief and some do not. Now we can state that paradigm is a set of beliefs and theories that a society processes. It is a way of viewing the world and a framework of which is to understand the human experience. Kuhn have defined 3 types of paradigm. It is pre-scientific, normal science and paradigm shift. Pre-scientific phase talks about initial phase of formation of theories. Most of the theories are incomplete or completing with one another. Normal science, it is a later theory that becomes prominent and got all attention. This set of dominant theory is called paradigm. This is the third stage as we have seen above. This is the fourth stage, the crisis stage, and this is the fifth stage. Here the new theory get formed. Here the first theory was got accepted. Here it is got any conflict and here the new theory emerges. Paradigm shift, Kuhn called the sudden changes as paradigm shift. Previous theory have to be reluctant and it's a natural process and it repeats. Theory should be modified or abandoned or give complete theoretical explanation which offers more complete and better explanation for both science, social science and worldview as whole. Paradigm shift is a fundamental change in which individual or a society view of how things work in world. According to Kuhn, paradigm shift implies replacement of previous theory, and the shift is total. There are some parts of paradigm shift, that is language we use, development of new concept, words, meaning, norms, values, and more. Theory and paradigm are interconnected. Paradigms act as a framework for creation of new theories. While forming new theories, sociologists look at things in a perspective set by paradigm. Paradigm is a set of contemporary theories. So there we can conclude that paradigm have various significance as it is related to theories. They define how we perceive reality, and the second significance we can state is the shift from revolution as technology is advancing. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.